Alright guys, today we're going to do a little bit of plowing. If you need to come along with me. We are having a huge ice storm. I don't know if you can hear this. It is loud. We're just gliding, folks. So this is the plowing rig. This is Lobo plow. I'll be honest with you, I've never heard of that brand. I'm not much of a plow guy. But she's a 2014 Duramax turbo, new head studs, 5-position tuner of some flavor. The hard part is this hill. I actually got one pass on it already, which is good, but that's a pain in the ass. This is so slippery right here, and this is pretty steep, so it's kind of a pain, but we'll do our best. Oh, Chevy's working up this hill, baby. Turbo diesel power, brother.